Hi, this is Andrew from Kite Army. Today I'm going to do a short overview of the Epson 1430 WI short throw interactive projector. This is top of the line. It supports finger touch as well as pens. It has a lot of network services that you can use to control this projector, and of course it's just got a lot of other features built into it. The reason why I wanted to put together this video is when I looked online there wasn't a lot of content out there that gave me a good sense of the overview of what this projector was capable of. So that's what I'm going to do here today. Here's an up close of the Epson 1430 WI projector. You can see it looks like their standard other short throws. It's got a ton of other interfaces on the side here, and you can see this box right down there. That's the box you get when you buy it with finger touch. It also comes with a pen box with 2 pens in it and a breakout box, which is really nice. It sort of has some functionality of a remote control, but it mounts on the wall, and it also has an interface to connect to your computer. So as you'd suspect, this basically runs like a normal interactive whiteboard. It can shoot on a wall-mounted surface or a flat desktop surface, which is great if you're working with large maps or layouts or plans, documents like that. So this is versatile in the way you can mount it. Here it is connected to my PC, and you can see with the touch interface you can run and interact with the PC. No big deal there. Also, if you select in a box like that, you should be able to, you should get a Windows, this is a Windows tool, where you'll get a Windows transcribe will be here. So let's just say we're in that box right up there, and you write the word test, for example. Okay, and insert. It's not going to go, of course, but there it inserted the word test. So normal interfacing, and of course it depends on what your operating system, what kind of controls you have on it. That's not built into it, that's really built into your operating system. Pretty simple there, but very cool. You can do things like, you know, open videos, and you can do that with your finger. I think you can also make, let me see what I can do here. Yeah, you can switch to pen mode, so you can make annotations on the board, which is great. So if there's something you want to highlight or draw attention to, that's easy. So that's pretty straightforward. Down here, you have a button where you can switch what this thing is doing. So if you go here, this button right here, with it's a square with an arrow on it. Let's switch to whiteboard. Okay, so you can see here at the bottom, you have pages made, which is really nice. So before you do a presentation, you can have those pages all built up, and you can see everything I'm doing right now is interacting with my finger. You also can use the pen, switch colors, use the pen. You can also go back here, so I'll remove those. And it's a really nice board. It has a lot of features that most of the boards out there have. This is one thing that I like. If you want to add a grid, say you're doing a chart, you can do that. Load the grid, close that down, and then you've got something to use to kind of come up with some chart. The other nice thing about these is once you make notes on a page, you can email them to yourself or you can print them. So, and that all happens with that breakout box that I showed you over there. Pretty straightforward, really cool. Here you can do things which I like, is you can have a split screen where you'll have your whiteboard and also your PC connected, which is nice. And you can still make notes here. You can still run all the whiteboard functions in split screen, which is great. Alright, I want to show you something really great about this board. There's a way that a client on a network, or multiple clients if they have the agent software installed, can display their desktop onto the projector. Let me show you how you do that. Go over here, you hit that board with the arrow, and at the bottom of the list is participant list. Now I think you can have up to 40 clients with the agent on it that can display up here on the screen. So you get a big grid of all the clients that are able to connect. Right now I only have one. I'll push that button, and basically what you'll see is over the network, this desktop, let me clean this up here a little bit. Let me show you how to The way you delete everything is push that button, delete all your notes. But basically what's happening now is this desktop is, let me open up an Excel spreadsheet, over the network is displaying to this board. And even better than this is you can have multiple displays, up to 4 at the same time, sharing the space up here. The other nice thing you can do is you can make notes on that, you can print it, and use all those other features. So in a nutshell, that's the Epson 1430 WI. It is unbelievable. It's a game changer. It consolidates all those interactive smartboard features and short throw projector advantages into one unit, and it's a great value. And I think you'll find that in instructional spaces, it's a winner. So that's it for now. My name is Andrew. I'm from Kite Army. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.